Welcome back to another episode of Brews&Boost. Today we're going to be working on the 300ZX Turbo. Going to be putting a nice new exhaust on her. Got the MSA Exhaust from the Z store. Pretty excited. Had this on my 87 NA and it sounded pretty good, so should sound nice on this.
That was like 8 years ago.
That was a long time ago. They're still making it. Still a good exhaust. Just got to get rid of this here tweaker welded piece of crap. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that good stuff. So yep, we're gonna get started on that. About to jack her up. See what we're working with down there. Hopefully they didn't magargan too much stuff. Okay, so here's what we're working with. Tweaker welds. Everything seems to be fairly rusted. So might be some heating up involved. Hopefully everything comes out nicely. Really the main kind of concern is going to be if it will, hang on, if it will clear this beefy drive line. Should be enough room, just enough. Yep, so we're going to start heating up and trying to pop some of these bolts off. See how many we break. Old exhaust is out. Finally. So, the couple of problems we ran into were here, where they had basically just put a smaller chunk of pipe into this, and then they shoved it into the factory piece right here that goes up and over the subframe and welded it into there. So we just kind of beat it till their shitty ass welds broke, which worked. Then problem number 2 was the rusted bolts on the cat. So tried to leave the cat on and just pull the whole thing out over the subframe, but it kept getting caught on everything. Heat shield, so we took the heat shield off of the pipe. Didn't help. Finally came to the last resort and just took the Sawzall to her. Made quick work of it. So yep, this old tanker, look at this. You got a weld here, a couple shitty welds here, had another weld here. Terrible. And this part didn't even have a hanger. They had it welded on top here to that spot there, which broke before we even started to work on it. So good thing we're doing this. She's gonna sound so much better. But yeah, so gonna get the cat back on and start trying to fit some of this piping in. It's all basically held together with clamps. Clamp it here. This spot will be clamped here.
Get the clamps, boss.
And then obviously this will be on hangers. And we'll see if that connecting piece is still up there, because there was nothing connected there on the other one, because they had broke it. So yeah, we're going to start test fitting. Okay, put the cat back on. This little pipe that goes over the subframe is on loosely, just kind of test fitting right now. That's how it'll go though. Clamp on there, just bolts right into the cat. So far test fitting's going pretty decent. We'll know for sure after we get this back piece on, and if we need to shove something in where the subframe is to stop it from hitting.
I want to hear a rattle, tattle.
Yep. It is pretty close to some stuff. It's close to that bolt. We'll see if it sucks it up though when the rest of it's attached. Yep. Time to get this on. Connect right up here to the hangers. And then there is a hanger back here.
Stock hanger. Look like they should work.
Yep. So we'll let you know how it goes when we get this one test fitted on. Alright, so we got it all up there. Everything's tightened now. So far it looks like we might clear the subframe. The only close spot really is like right there. It's damn near laying on this brace. But it shouldn't be much of a problem. If not, we'll shove something in there. No, there it is. Everything's all tightened up. MSA Exhaust is on. Look at that. That looks cool in there. Pew! Make some cool fireballs. Pew! Yep. So all that's left is to start it up, see if we hear any rattling, anything that it shouldn't be doing. But we should be fine. All right, moment of truth. Time to start her up. See if we get a first grader.
Right? See what happens here.
Just barely black smoke.
There we go.
She hasn't done that in a while.
Yeah. Super quiet though. It's nice. Huh?
It's almost like AC.
That's the fuel pump. That.
Let me drive it out of the garage.
Yeah. Go ahead and drive it out and then rev it. Still needs to punch the cat, and this thing would really sound good. Or delete it. Sell them. They're worth good money right now. I sold my cats last week. $85. Good shit. It's just moisture.
Oh yeah, you should have seen the last exhaust. It was dripping moisture from the shitty welds.
Yeah.
This turbo flood. Gotta get the turbo flood.
Everyone likes to hear the flutter. Yeah. My fucking hands are steaming. I was like, why does the engine look like it's smoking? My hands are steaming.
All right, so hopefully this helped you out if you're getting the MSA kit. He already rode the back like a freaking
A jockey.
so
Here, I'll show him.
it doesn't.
So that way you don't hear a clickety clunk.
Only thing you hear is the blown suspension on this beast. Coilovers will be coming soon enough, so yep. Hopefully you liked the video. Helps you out if you get a MSA exhaust.
Easy to put on.
Yep, easy to put on. Hardest part's just taking the old one off. So seems like they fixed the problem of it hitting over the subframe, because I know my last one did, but this one seems to be fine. So yep, make sure to give us a thumbs up.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep. Tell your friends we need more followers.
Merch coming soon.
Oh, yep. Merch coming soon. Well, yeah. Till next time, fellows.